Kylie. I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful, delicious lunch from my new Healthy Chef recipe app. It's baby gem lettuce with Gribiche and you will love it. So I've got some hard-boiled eggs here that I've chopped, and it's pretty much simply that I'm mixing some gherkins with that. So chopped up gherkins. I've got some gorgeous capers. I've also got some chives, chopped chives. And now in another bowl, I'm going to make the dressing. So this is really, really simple. So a nice big spoonful, or maybe two, of beautiful Dijon mustard. I've got some apple cider vinegar in here. I've also got just a little bit of maple syrup, just to add a bit of sweetness, and stir in with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. So with my little matcha whisk, I'm just going to whisk this all together. This is very, very cool. It emulsifies into the most amazing French style dressing. So this is how to make a dressing at home, guys. Beautiful and yummy and healthy. So I'm just going to add a little bit of that into the egg mixture. And this is going to make it taste extra delicious. And giving it a good little mix here. Actually, I'll change spoons. So mix it all up, and it's almost like smashed organic eggs filled with protein and goodness. Look at that. And it comes together really, really beautifully. Now you can add a little bit of yogurt to that if you want, but this is my fave. And now look at this, instead of toast, a nice little low carb option is just to get these little baby gem lettuce and top this up. Coat it generously with Parmesan cheese, and you can put some pine nuts in here too. You can even put some pine nuts in the eggs, and maybe just a little bit of pickled onion, which I've pickled with a little bit of lemon juice and sea salt. And here it is, baby gem lettuce with Gribiche. Purely delicious, gluten-free, high in protein, and from the Healthy Chef recipe app. Enjoy.